Day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to what is set out to be another not very good unboxing of various computer parts that I have bought. So I guess where I shall start is the CPU, which clearly, as you can see, is a Core i7 Extreme Edition. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to what is set out to be another not very good unboxing of a few new computer parts, as you can clearly see, because my Asus Sabertooth X58 motherboard has decided to die. So instead of just getting a new X58 based motherboard, I decided to finally get with the times and upgrade, because, well, I've had the X58 for a year now, and I've been working with X58 since I built my very first computer back in 2009, which is nearly 8 years ago now. So, good time to upgrade, I think. So as you can see, I do have a Core i7 X series i7 7800X. Now as you can see, this box was previously damaged. Let me just adjust my lighting here. Such professional. As you can see, box was damaged and already opened. Because of that, I managed to get the CPU for $100 less than retail, which I thought was rather good. Apparently the whole thing has been opened and tested, which is one thing I'm not quite excited about, but hopefully there is actually nothing wrong with the CPU unit. Focus for me, there we go. Okay, so if I hold you here, focus, and then I turn you off. So as you can see, I can do this without dropping it. There we have a very beautiful i7 7800X. Okay, so how do you go back in here? This way? Oh god, please don't break it. Okay, so I just put you the wrong way? No. That clicks back together, then how do you go back in here? That way. So to go along with that, we have the beautiful MSI X299 SLI Plus, if you couldn't read. And this will be my first foray into anything with RGB lighting. Here in a nice box, or nice cardboard tray, we have the motherboard itself in an anti-static bag, as they should all come. Thank you for choosing a MSI product. Sure thing. User manuals, DIMM instructions, quick installation guide, as well as some SATA cables and an SLI bridge, which I will be using, because I will continue to use my two GTX 770s with this motherboard. A nice MSI logo on the back. Oh, come on, focus. Come on, I'm right in front of you here. There we go. Jeez, now I feel like a real pro YouTuber. And of course the I/O shield for the back is sitting down there as well. Now, the real reason we're here. Okay, I'm going to turn autofocus off again. Just stop it. So, we'll see how that goes. And sorry for getting my arm in the way here. Look at that elbow. That elbow is glorious. Nothing underneath. We are stuck down at the back. And now the moment of glory. Are you ready? Okay. Sorry, but I've got to get this thing focusing again. This will be magnificent. So, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. And there seems to be slight scratching already down there on the plastic, because it does seem to be just plastic. There it is nonetheless, in all its glory. And these little strips here are the RGB section of lights, which I think I'm going to quite enjoy. Later, there will probably be some form of installation guide for all, well, I'm not going to say guide, but there will be an install video, because everybody likes those. So that all can go away now, back in its box until probably tomorrow, being a Friday and I have no work. So coming up next, we have Corsair Vengance RAM, random access memory. I've got 2 packs, both containing 2 8GB sticks for a total of 32 GB, which is probably more RAM than I will need for quite a few years to come. But I had 4 slots to fill out of 8, and I thought, why get 16 gig when I could just get 32 now and just go all out with this. So that's what I did. And there we have nice, beautiful Corsair Vengance RAM. Nice metal heat spreader there. Must remember to take the little sticker off the labels though, because we don't want that melting anywhere. And if you can hear any strange noises in the back, that's just my girlfriend's hamster doing nighttime things, because hamsters are weird and are alive during the night, just like me, I guess. So that is RAM done. And that's everything, I guess. We've got a nice bit of RAM, a very nice little motherboard. Well, it's not that little. It's got quad channel memory, space for SLI, some M.2 slots, and a Core i7X series processor, which is going to perform a hell of a lot better than my nearly 10-year-old i7-960. Starting to show its age when rendering, so yay for new parts. I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and I hope you enjoy me for the installing of all of this, because that's going to be a very fun time. And yeah, see you guys in the next one, whatever that happens to be. Bye!